All right, I'm moving on to the vanity mirror bulbs install and the floor. So let's get into it. And there is the vanity mirrors. See how they're yellowish looking? And here is under the dash. I hope you can see that. Right there. So hopefully they'll look a lot different when I switch them out to LEDs. All right, hopefully you can see how yellow these are. Now these bulbs are going to get hot. I don't know of no way to turn them off, but we'll find out how hot they get when they fall out in my lap or my hand, right? So let me get one of them out. All right, there you can see the difference. So let me get the other one done. All right, there it is, installed without the little cover on it. As I was saying, these are kind of pain in the butt to get out, but just use something thin, take your time, you can get it. So let me clip that cover back on there, and let me see. Let me turn the lights on. You see how bright it is? Awesome. So let me get the cover on and show you that. Okay, there's the driver's side. All dull and yellow and not very bright looking. And here's the passenger side. Very bright. So let's move over to the driver's side and get it done. All right, I'm over here on the driver's side. So let's get these replaced. Okay. As always, the goddamn battery went dead when I turned around here to take the little lenses off. So you didn't get to see that. But anyway, you just take a little screwdriver and pry in there. You can see there's a notch there, and there's one on this side a little closer, as you can see. The one on this side is down here. So they're a little offset. So you just stick something in there small and you'll be good to go. So let me get the little covers back on and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, let's wake it back up. It looks pretty good, huh? It looks pretty awesome if you ask me. Kind of almost too bright, huh? Anyway, I got these two done. That's the vanity mirrors. Now let's move down to the floor. Get those done. Those should be easy. Well, maybe. Let's see. All right, as you can see, the footwell bulb is right there. So you should be able to just pop this thing out. Let's see. Just like that. Now, whether or not I can get that bulb out of there with my fingers is a different story. Probably not. Might have. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Got it out. So let me get the other bulb. Now let me stick my head under here. All right, got that one in. Let's move over to the driver's side and or passenger side and do it. All right, as you can see, I got the cover off on the passenger side, so let's take it out. All right, got it in. Just got to put the little cover back on and be good to go. Yeah, there it is. So now let's get to the glove box. In order to get to the glove box light, it's up in there somewhere. I think it's done went off. You have to disconnect this or unhook this from the glove box. That's the check strap that lets it down slow, and then just lift up on it and it pops off of these hinges all the way across. Here it is right here. That check strap goes right there. There's nothing to it. Just move it out of the way. Now let me see what I need to do to get to the light. All right, here it is. Goes right there. I don't know if you can see that hole right there. It goes in there just like that. Right? A little push button is what turns it off and on. And then there's the bulb right there. Right there. I just unplugged it so it wouldn't get hot. I don't know if that other bulb's going to fit right there or not, but we're going to see. And I'll show you. All right, and as you can see, I hope you can see. Let's see if I can get this in here a little better. There you go. There's the LED. Pretty cool, huh? All right, well, I don't know if you can see me or not. Hope you liked the video. That's the install video of these LED bulbs that made a big, huge difference, as you can see. And of course I did. I told you I replaced the dome light, and I already did. That was a while back. But anyway, now I got the rest of them. Now I still have to, I'm trying to get it where there's good light on me. I still have to install the one under the hood, if I even have one under there. And let's see, I think it said license plate and cargo. So tag lights and the cargo lights up on the cab. I'm not going to do them right now because when I take that cargo light out, the third brake light, I want to make sure I got enough to do all the bulbs in there, not just the white ones, the clear, you know, for the cargo. I want to make sure I got enough bulbs for the brake light too. Now I got a T10. I don't know if that's a T10 or not. I'll find out. If it is, I'll use it. So anyway, that's all I got for this LED light bulb install video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.